Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Find My Mobile on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, go down and tap on biometrics and security. Next, you want to go down and tap on Find My Mobile. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off. Now if you turn it off, you need to put in the account password. So put in the password and tap on the OK button to turn off Find My Mobile. Otherwise you can switch it on. Now switching it on doesn't require you to put in the password, but when you turn it off, you need to put in the account password to switch it off. And once you have turned it on, you can tap on the left hand side panel. In here, you can choose to turn on or turn off things like remote unlock, send last location, or offline finding. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.